Well, guys, I do have it on jack stands. I have the jack still under there for extra support. When I pulled apart the left front, the lug nuts were not tight. So I'm lucky I didn't lose both front tires. First thing I noticed when I got it apart, this brake hose is all twisted up. And the clip is missing from the frame. Which typically you see that in caliper brakes when people twist the caliper around, but not on drum brakes. Next thing I noticed, the hub moves way too much. I don't know whoever was in here if they didn't freaking tighten the preload up right, or if the bearings are failing. So I bought all new bearings for it. The next thing I noticed, one, this drum is supposed to be attached to the freaking hub. It comes off, which you can make them do that. It was missing a stud, but that's what I found when I took it apart. Looks like someone took a cut-off wheel and made, I would take it, a two-wheel drive drum fit a four-wheel drive. So she's getting all new brakes, hoses, springs, wheel cylinders, bearings.